সকল কোচেছক তেওঁলোকৰ প্লেয়াৰ্ছ আমাৰ এছেম্বলি লাইন আপ কৰিবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনোৱা হ'ল। All district coaches, please assemble your players in our assembly area. Gulbarga district, Guwahati district, Hosai district, Nagaon district, Dibrugarh district. এই সকলো ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টৰ খেলুৱৈসকলক আমাৰ ৱাৰ্কআপ এৰিয়াত আমাৰ এছেম্বলি এৰিয়াত বিচৰা হৈছে। Cadet, junior, senior, committee and kata players, please report to our assembly area. আৰু সকলো খেলুৱৈক আমাৰ কাৰাটে পৰিৱেশন কৰিবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনোৱা হৈছে। All coaches, please be in position. Assembly area. Guwahati district, all players, please report to our assembly area. Guwahati district, all players, please report to our assembly area in Karate. Kanti district, Romia district, Bombay district, Torong district, Bukaka district, Thubri district, Jola, Sorail, West Karnataka, Dibrugarh, Puripur, Bongaigaon, এই সকলো ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টৰ কোচেছসকলক তেওঁলোকৰ প্লেয়াৰছসহ সাজু হৈ থাকিবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনোৱা হ'ল। সকলো ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট কোচেছ আৰু মেনেজাৰক তেওঁলোকৰ প্লেয়াৰছসহ সাজু হৈ থাকিবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনোৱা হ'ল। All players,
what's up?
Dibrugarh district, coach and manager, players of our assembly area, other people. আমাৰ অভিযোগ চেনেলে বস্তু লৈ আছে সকলো ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টৰ অভিযোগ চেনেল পৰীক্ষাৰ কাৰণে all district coaches please give attention opening ceremony pৰীক্ষাৰ কাৰণে সকলো district players coaches and managers হাজৰি থাকিবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনালোঁ। সভাপতিষ্ঠ কোর্স মার্কেটের প্লেয়ার সহ আমার অ্যাসেম্বলি মানুষ Obispa Deta, Dorong, report to Tally number 7. Kushi Nayak, Nogao, report to Tally number 7. Obispa Nayak, report to Tally number 3. Obispa Deta, Dorong district, report to Tally number 3. Kushi Nayak, Nogao district, report to Tally number 3.
Jangan biasa saya apa dah, jangan biasa.
অভিভাৱক এজনক বিনম্ৰ অনুৰোধ AS01FJ2719 আৰ্টিকা গাড়ীখন অলপ বেয়াকৈ ৰখা হৈছে। এই গাড়ীখন সেই স্থানৰ পৰা অলপ আঁতৰাই দিব লাগে। AS01FJ2719 আৰ্টিকা গাড়ীখন অলপ বেয়া জেগাত ৰখা হৈছে। এই গাড়ীখন সেই স্থানৰ পৰা আঁতৰাই দিব লাগে। AS01FJ2719 আৰ্টিকা গাড়ী এখন অলপ বেয়াকৈ ৰখা হৈছে। এই গাড়ীখন সেই স্থানৰ পৰা আঁতৰাই দিব লাগে। সকলো ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট কোচ মেনেজাৰলৈ এটি বিনম্ৰ অনুৰোধ, সকলো ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টৰ পৰা প্ৰায় 10-15জনকৈ খেলুৱৈ আমাৰ তাতামিলৈ আনিব লাগে, যিহেতু আমাৰ অপেনিং চেৰিমনি আৰম্ভ হ'ব লৈছে। সকলো ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট কোচ মেনেজাৰলৈ এটি বিনম্ৰ অনুৰোধ, সকলো ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টৰ ফালৰ পৰা প্ৰায় 10-15জনকৈ খেলুৱৈ তাতামিলৈ আহিব লাগে। আৰু প্ৰতিখন ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টৰ কোচ আমাৰ তাতামিৰ ওচৰত থকা সখীসকলৰ বহি এটা সুন্দৰ পৰিৱেশ পালন কৰিব লাগে। AS01FJ2719 এই আৰ্টিকা গাড়ীখন অলপ বেয়া স্থানত ৰখা হৈছে। এই গাড়ীখন সেই জেগাৰ পৰা আঁতৰাই দিব লাগে।
গেলেৰীত যিসকল প্লেয়াৰ্ছ আছে সকলো তলত নামি আহিব লাগে। অল প্লেয়াৰ্ছ, গেলেৰীত যিসকল প্লেয়াৰ্ছ আছে সকলো আমাৰ ইনডোৰ ষ্টেডিয়ামত আহিব লাগে। গেলেৰীত যিসকল প্লেয়াৰ্ছ আছে সকলো প্লেয়াৰ্ছ গেলেৰীৰ পৰা নামি আহিব লাগে। অল প্লেয়াৰ্ছ
ইয়াত নাচিবতো এইটো অলপ পিছত আনিব লাগিব কিন্তু ইয়াতে চাব না ইয়াতে চাব মানে মই হা
সকলো প্লেয়াৰ্ছ গেলেৰীৰ পৰা নামি আহিব লাগে অল প্লেয়াৰ্ছ প্লিজ ৰিপৰ্ট টু আৱাৰ টাটামি
Distance to me, I'll call back up to you now.
Hello, all players, जो ऊपर गैलरी कोई से all players, please क्या नहीं बोलेंगे? All players, गैलरी ऊपर थाका player नहीं, तब तानी नहीं उस सबकी कोई बोलेंगे? Player होगा player, गैलरी नहीं बोलेंगे क्या? সকলো প্লেয়াৰ যিসকল প্লেয়াৰে ড্ৰেছ পিন্ধি আছে কি পিন্ধি আছে সেইসকলক পতাকাৰে সোমাই দিব অনুৰোধ জনালোঁ অতিথাংক गैलरी को आप लगा आप क्या देखिए साइकिल में बहुत सब साइकिल में बहुत साइकिल में बहुत पुलिस साइकिल में ऊपर खिनी ऊपर गैलरी खिनी ऊपर गैलरी बहुत बड़ा ऊपर गैलरी खिनी और वो सब कोई दे छुट्टी कोई दे प्लीज छुट्टी कोई दे ये खिनी बिला हुआ हमको सब गैलरी को हटा Betul lah, dulu.
Di mana pass kau boleh? Aku tak hiba. Pass kau boleh. Nak ada apa? Nak ada apa? Dia pass kau boleh.
All coaches, manager, please sit there. Akhon koho, coaches, manager, akhon koho. All coaches. Yat bhi nahi. Amar ASSAM team ko bohi diyo nahi. Please, all coaches, coach, team manager, সকলো আখন গ্ৰহণ কৰিলে হ'ল
কোন আহিব দিছে ইয়াৰ পৰা কি কত কিছু নোৱাৰি নেকি
check, check. Good afternoon, everyone. Hello. 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 Hello, check, check, check. Can you please do something with these? Hello. Yes. Hello. 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 Check, check, check. Hello. 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 Pardon, and good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, there are children. So I would like to request each and every one of you to please rise up and let's welcome him with a huge round of applause. So good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. A very warm welcome to all the dignitaries, our chief guests, esteemed guests, participants, coaches, supporters, and parents. I, your anchor, Anushka Tiramji, and I, along with my co-host,
Rajasthan.
we would like to extend our hearty welcome to today's special event and to Caribbean. Welcome, everyone. Well, today we celebrate not only the talents, the abilities, but also we celebrate discipline, skills, strength, and precision. Today we celebrate the art of karate. So welcome to all the karate, those who are going to compete today. Our very best of luck to each and every one.
So once again, on behalf of Caribbean, welcome each and every one of you to the Caribbean. So as we begin our program, once again, can we have a big round of applause for all our dignitaries present upon the dais.
Dear friends, karate is not just about physical strength, but it's also about mental toughness and discipline.
Sir, team kata dong.
It is an art that has been practiced for centuries, and today we are honored to witness some of the fitness talents competing here at this prestigious platform. So once again, a round of applause to all the participants. Come on, ladies and gentlemen.
As we begin our program, so now I request each and every one of you to kindly rise up for our set anthem. So our event is officially inaugurated. So now we shall proceed for the lighting of lamps. I would like to request our chief guests of this event and also our guests of honor and all the dignitaries present over the nights to proceed us with the lighting of lamps.
Dear friends, light symbolizes power and it also symbolizes God. And in today's competition, we need to remember God because without God, we are nothing. Thank you. Thank you so much, our dear guests, for lighting the lamp. So without any further ado, let us begin with the felicitation. So I would like to ask my co-host to please do the honor.
Thank you so much once again. So now we shall proceed with the felicitation ceremony. So first we would like to felicitate the All Assam Charity Association, Sri Vijay Kumar Gupta. So I would like to request our sisters to do the honor of. First, we would like to do the honor of felicitating to Sri Vijay Kumar Gupta. He is All Assam Charity Association President. He is being felicitated with a Karbi traditional photo, a Karbi sleep bag called Jamburong, and a Karbi jacket. So once again, can we have a big round of applause for him, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we are so blessed and honored to have a very dynamic leader of Karbi Anglong, and he is our Honorable Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Dr.HimantaBiswaSharma. Sir, we are very much honored to have you here with us. We would like to felicitate you with the Karbi traditional poho, Jamburong, and also Karbi Achong. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the chief guest.
Thank you so much, sir, for gracing this occasion with your kind presence. Next, we would like to felicitate Srimati Nandita Garlosa, Sports and Power Minister, Government of Assam. We would like to request a committee to do the honor of felicitating her. And she is being felicitated with a Karbi sling bag called Jamburong and a Karbi traditional poho. So once again, can we have a big round of applause for substantial moments. Thank you so much.
Dear friends, we are also very much privileged to have the MLA, Birasing Lancer. So sir, we would like to take this honor to felicitate you with the Thank you so much, sir, for gracing this occasion. and I would like to thank all the people who have
Also among us, we are very fortunate to have in our midst Sri Raj Kaputi, the Vice President of Assam Olympic Association. I would like to request thank you so much, sir, for being with us this afternoon, and also welcome to Karbi. So once again, can we have a big round of applause for him?
Ladies and gentlemen, we are also very much fortunate to have with us Mr. Pankaj Sharan, General Secretary, Karbi Anglong Sport Association. Sir, may we please take this honor to felicitate you. Mr. Pankaj Sharan, the General Secretary.
Next, we have the honor to introduce Sri Richard Tokdi, the President of the Dignitaries Association of Karbi Anglong. I would like to request our committee to do the honor of felicitating him. Thank you so much. He mentioned that he is the executive member of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council in Joint Education Department. So thank you so much, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are also very, very blessed. He is the State Championship Organizing Championship Vice Chairman, sir. We would like to take this honor to felicitate our Honorable EN, sir. And a moment.
Next, we would like to felicitate Sri Roland. Check.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are also very, very honored to have the executive member, Sri Madhuran Lekhi, sir, Karbi Anglong felicitate you.
Council. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, everyone, for your presence, for helping us this evening. And also, we are indeed fortunate to have in our midst Srimati Kachirong Pipi, NSC Caribbean Autonomous Council.
Dear friends, we are also very much privileged to have
Can we have a big round of applause for him?
Ladies and gentlemen, we will also like to take this moment to felicitate I would like to take this opportunity to appreciate all our chief guests and student guests and dignitaries for creating this event. Your presence has made this event a very valuable one. Thank you.
ASSAM এই স্টেট চ্যাম্পিয়নশিপ অনুষ্ঠানত माननीय मंचत उपस्थित आसाम ओलम्पिक एसोसिएशन उपसभापति राष्ट्रपति डांगरिया कार्बी आंगलং स्पोर्ट एसोसिएशन जनरल सेक्रेटरी पंकज तेरान डांगरिया कार्बी आंगलং कराटे एसोसिएशन प्रेसिडेंट रिचार्ड टॉपी डांगरिया आमार এই ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमिटी वाइस प्रेसिडेंट रितेश इंगी डांगरिया जनप्रिय विधायक डीफू विद्या सिंह इंग्लैंड डांगरिया और आमार এই मंचत उपस्थित इयर मधुराम लेक्टे डांगरिया लोकल एमएससी जॉनी टीमिंग डांगरिया प्रमुखे এই मंचत उपविष्ट विशिष्ट व्यक्तिসকল और मोर सम्मुखत ऑल अहोमबरा आहा अभिभावक रिस्पेक्टेड गार्जियंस our beloved players, media, friends and
the organizing committee member of the Assam State Choreography Association. আপোনাবিলাক জানে karate is a sport of the self-defense and the self-development also. So by the virtue of the karate, anybody, our player as well as anybody, if wants to play the karate, so there is a physical development by the karate, there is a mental development by the karate, there is an intellectual growth also by the karate, emotional maturity also prevails in this game, psychological skills are here, and spiritual development is also. Because of our soul became a powerful soul by the karate. So our karate is the game and the build up the man for the perseverance, build up the man for the fearlessness, man of the virtue, man of the leadership skills, and the virtue, that is the main virtue, that is the inwardly people, that a man be humble but outward a gentle approach. Karate sports emphasizes exercise and competitions also. There are two forms, one is the kata and another the kumite. So this game includes strikes, punches, kicks, blocks. In kata, there are various offensive and defensive postures. In kumite, meetings of the hand for the sports and the self-defense. There are world karate organizations, world karate federations. We are affiliated with our national and international Olympic associations, and Assam State Karate Championship include, there are so many categories: sub-junior, cadet, junior, under 20, senior, and para categories. We awarded certificate also, and this certificate enables the admissions and government jobs also. All Assam Karate associations was established under the guidance of the Indian Olympic Associations and Assam Olympic Associations, committed enhancing karate ecosystems in the state of the Assam, and we are also ensuring athletes the due support and the opportunities who they deserve. In this state championship, there is the registrations of from 34 districts, 3,600 players and 300 coaches, technical staff including coaches, referees, judges and volunteers also. Here no registration fees, entries are free. So this is a significant step by any sport associations, and this is a really remarkable thing. We are here in the Karbi Anlam. Karbi Anlam is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. Karbi Anlam is full of the green hills, vibrant tribal cultures, rich biodiversity, full of nature and adventure. The cultural land, we can say this is the land of the culture. Scenic landscape is also rich in the turmeric, rich in the garlic productions, rich in the pineapple, broom, dhadu, stone, sand and coal. Iman Dunia, Karbi Anlam और एक दुनिया Karbi Anlam और एक दुनिया auditorium. Iman Dunia auditorium, multi-purpose auditorium, and this is the unique auditorium in the state of Assam. এরকম auditorium অসমত নাই, মোৰ জানাতে এরকম নাই, और এইটো পাই আমি প্রথম গেম ইমান ধুনীয়া স্টেডিয়ামত আমার গেমটো প্রথম হৈ আছে। সো আমার কাৰণে এইটো খুব ভাল কথা, আৰু আমি গৌৰৱ ফিল কৰিছোঁ যে আমি আজি ইনাগ্ৰেট কৰিছোঁ কাৰাটে থেকে। তো মই কাৰাটে ছেশ্যনত মই খুবেই মানে ধন্যবাদো জ্ঞাপিত কৰিছোঁ, আৰু মোৰ সন্মুখত যিমান প্লেয়াৰ আছে, অভিভাৱক আছে, সকলক मैं धन्यवाद अभिनंदन नमस्कार जाते और अपना जीवन मंगल हो एक कामना कर मैं जाता हूँ यहाँ पर धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, sir, for your welcome address. We feel very much happy to listen these words from you. Thank you.
Hello. Once again, thank you so much for your welcome speech. So moving on to next, we have a traditional dance performance which is going to be performed by the KTMRC. So now we would like to take this opportunity to invite them and perform for us. They are going to perform a Karbi folk dance called Minso Hiro.
Ladies and gentlemen, to all the people who are coming up in Karbiakon, this is your opportunity to watch this traditional dance. Hope you will like it and you will enjoy it.
Thank you so much, Mr. Martin, for your outstanding performance. So once again, can we have a big round of applause for the Minso Kiro for the smaller carpet clock dance, and it was especially performed during the folk dance. Minso is Megan and Kiro needs to pick up. And it is believed that in Kabi community, once in a person's once in his life or her life, he or she must dance and perform. Check.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we are also joined by the MLA. So sir, I would like to take this honor to please come forward and deliver a speech on this special occasion. Requesting Shri Vidhan Lancer, MLA, to please come forward.
নমস্কাৰ কাৰ্ডম আজি অল আসাম কাৰাটে চেম্পিয়নশ্বিপ কম্পিটিশ্যনত উপস্থিত আমাৰ চিফ গেষ্ট আমাৰ অট'নমাছ কাউন্সিল ডক্টৰ Tuliam Rohan Damoria, উপস্থিত special guest, our Minister of Sports and Power, Nandita Gorlosa ji, আর উপস্থিত আমার এই কারাতে কম্পিটিশনের মূল অর্গানাইজার তথা অল আসাম Karate Association of Vice President, Mananiya Vijay Gupta Damoria, এই উপস্থিত আমার রিসার্চ কবি ডাঙরিয়া, উপস্থিত আমার রিতা সিংহি ডাঙরিয়া, MSc জলি টিমুং ডাঙরিয়া, কাছের অফিসি বাইদেউ, কাদম তেলাফি বাইদেউ, আমার স্টেট বা আমার সোশ্যাল ওয়ার্কার তথা চেয়ারম্যান কাউন্সিল বোর্ড আমার অরেঞ্জ কিলিং ডাঙরিয়া, বোর্ড চেয়ারম্যান আমার মোহন কিশোর ডাঙরিয়া, আমার সোশ্যাল ওয়ার্কার আমার কেশব টিমুং ডাঙরিয়া প্রমুখে উপস্থিত আমার কারাতে এসোসিয়েশনের আমার ভাইস প্রেসিডেন্ট কাকতি পৰা আরম্ভ করে আমার অফিস কাকতি অফিসবিয়ার কাকতি ডাঙরিয়া প্রমুখে আমার অতিকৈ মৰমৰ আমার যুৱক যুৱতীসকলে যিসকলে কাৰাটে এছ'চিয়েশ্যন কম্পিটিশ্যনত যোগ দিয়া অহা মোৰ সকলো ভাই ভনীসকলক মোৰ পুনৰ মই এই কাৰ্বি আংলং তথা ডিফু LAC হিচাপে মই এজন বিধায়ক হিচাপে আপোনালোকক আন্তৰিকতাৰে ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ। আপোনালোকে ইয়াত আমাৰ এই ষ্টেডিয়ামটো কাৰ দ্বাৰা হৈছে আপোনালোকে জানি লওক। এইটো হৈছে আৰ্কিটেক্ট হৈছে ইয়াৰ আৰ্কিটেক্ট হৈছে আমাৰ ডক্টৰ তুলিয়াম ৰহমান ডাঙৰীয়া। তেখেত স্পৰ্টছতো বহুত ইণ্টাৰেষ্টেড, কাৰাতেও ঠিক নাই এতিয়া জইন কৰিব পাৰে তেখেত, কাৰণ জিম সদায় খেলি থাকে, জিম নিজৰ ঘৰতে জিম পাতি ময়ো মাজে মাজে যাওঁ এই বুঢ়া বয়সতো, এখেতে মাতে আহা ইৰেছপেক্টিভ অফ মানে কি কয় এজ, যিমান এজ নাথাকক তাত জইন কৰিব পাৰে। আৰু সেই হিচাপে এখেতে ইণ্টাৰেষ্টেড থকাৰ কাৰণে অল আসাম অলিম্পিক এছ'চিয়েশ্যনৰ ভাইচ প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট হৈছে, বেডমিণ্টনটো আমাৰ কি কয় প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট হৈছে, চেয়াৰমেন হৈছে। গতিকে তেনেকুৱা ইণ্টাৰেষ্ট থাকিলেহে এনেকুৱা ষ্টেডিয়ামো বনাব পাৰে। আজি ভাল লাগিছে আমাৰ স্পৰ্টছ মিনিষ্টাৰ আহি নিজে
যে অন্তত আমাৰ কাউন্সিল আমাৰ টুৰিয়াম মহানগৰে যে ইয়াত যে কৰিছে আৰু বিশেষকৈ স্পৰ্ট কালচাৰ যে ডেভেলপ কৰিছে অল অভাৰ আছাম গতিকে তেখেতে নিশ্চয় আমাৰ টুৰিয়াম মহানগৰক এপ্ৰিচিয়েট কৰিব মই আৰু বৰ বেছি নকওঁ আজি আপোনালোকে যিসকলে আজি 23, 24, 25 তাৰিখলৈকে যিসকলে পাৰ্টিচিপেণ্ট ইয়াত যোগদান কৰিছে আপোনালোকৰ মংগলময় হওক একো যেন বিজুতি নঘটে তাকে মই ভগৱানৰ ওচৰত প্ৰাৰ্থনা জনাই আপোনালোকৰ জীৱন মংগলময় হওক তাকে কামনা কৰি মোৰ চুমৰ ভাষণ মাৰিলোঁ ধন্যবাদ কাৰ্ডম জয় হিন্দ
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words and also for the best wishes to the players. We hope and we wish, as well as we pray, that all the players will do well. Thank you.
Once again, thank you so much, sir, for sharing your insightful thought with us. So once again, thank you. All right, moving on to next. People, so at this moment, we are going to present you something very special for each and every one of you present out here. We have an invited guest for this very program, and he is a very young, multi-talented playback singer. He is not only very handsome, but got a melodious voice that every one of you will fall in love with his voice. So now may I have this opportunity to invite Mr. Sarwan Bedi to come over here and perform for us.
Check, one, check. Yeah, check, yes, one. Check.
So once again, can we have a big round of applause for him, people?
Welcome everyone, and welcome to a beautiful place, Bifu Karbianglong. So this is a very beautiful song. I hope everyone know this song, and I want you guys to enjoy the song. Are you guys ready? Come on guys, louder. Are you guys ready? That's the spirit. This song is for those who love Rito Riba. You guys know Rito Riba, right? This is a very beautiful Karbi song. I want you guys to know this song. It's a very beautiful.
Hello. So at this point in time, we would like to do the honor of felicitating him with a Karbi Poho. So once again, can we have a big round of applause for him, people? A Karbi jacket, a Karbi joy, and a Karbi jamborong for a Karbi slingback t-shirt, and presented a memento. Thank you so much, Sarhon. That was indeed a spectacular and sensational performance by Mr. Sarhon Bey. So once again, thank you so much. We are indeed very fortunate to have you in our midst this afternoon on the occasion of the Assam State
Karate Championship 2024.
So ladies and gentlemen, I hope that each and every one of you had a great time. So without any further ado, let us begin with something very interesting. That is, as we all know that we have gathered here for the karate, right? So let's have the karate demonstration by our players. So requesting our players to please come forward and to show their moves. That was absolutely fantastic. Really enjoyed their move. Once again, let me take this privilege to thank all the players for their outstanding moves.
Ladies and gentlemen, today among us we are very privileged to have us Srimati Nandati Carlosa, Power and Sports Minister, the Government of Assam. So may I have the privilege and honor to invite her to come over here for the speech. And also she is the guest of honor for today's evening.
Good afternoon to you all. On the All Assam Karate Association organized this championship held at Ifu. The Honorable Chief Guest of today's program, Dr. Tuliram Ranghamji, my colleague MLA Vidya Singh ji, Vice President of Karate Association, Vijay Gupta ji, and all the esteemed guests seated in the dais, my young karate players, officials, parents, and media personnel. This has been an event which many have been looked forward for because it is a championship which is among the states of Assam, and all the districts are participating. I am being told that there are 300 more participants and involvement of more than 3,000 number of officials. So it is a very big platform where you can show your discipline in the field that you are in. Karate, as we all know, when I was seated over there, I was observing how many participants are being seated, and then my observation has gone mostly on the students, basically who are girls. The second thought that came to me when I was sitting here was basically it's self-defense that we keep on learning karate, and maybe because of this, many of the younger generation, the section of girls have taken up this form, an art form which you have taken in the sports of discipline. My best wishes to all the participants over here. We will definitely come to know at the end of 5 days scheduled sports, this event, like who are one of the best. But at the same time, everybody cannot win, and there will always be a particular winner, but everybody cannot win. But what I meant to say is that you should always have the spirit of a sportsmanship in you. Today that you have come to play here, किसी को जीतना है, किसी को तो हार जाएगा, लेकिन जब घर जाता है तो दुखी होकर नहीं जाना, ये सोच के जाना है कि आपने कुछ सीख के गया है, कहीं न कहीं किसी न किसी का पास तो कुछ न कुछ सीख के जाना मिलेगा. इसलिए participation is very important. To come and participate in a game in such an event is very, very important. You do have confidence, more confidence you will be having it. I don't know what are the sections or what are the age bars that you all are having it here, but at the same time, I can understand it. It is indeed a very big event. Congratulations to the Karate Association for organizing such an event in a very beautiful stadium, as I've been told, and very beautiful place. It's another way of looking sports nowadays is that on an event being held nowadays, or when in a host district having nowadays, is usually the other departments are also being involved in, and this, wherever sports goes, wherever huge number of personnel are being involved, parents are involved, basically the other sector we can speak about in today's program is also of tourism. Tourism is also such an influential correlation with the sports. Like wherever we go, you can have an idea of what the particular place is and what a particular area it has been. Thanks for choosing Karbi Anglong, and then you will have an idea the rest of the places, those who have not been from Karbi Anglong, those who have not come to Karbi Anglong earlier, you had got the opportunity to come to Karbi Anglong and then visit the very stadium, which is one of the best stadium in Assam, and then you are participating here. ज़्यादा हमारा बात सुनने का आपको मन नहीं होगा, क्योंकि आपका प्रोग्राम है कि कैसे करके खेलना है, कैसे करके जीतना है, कैसे करके वापस जाना है घर. लेकिन माय बेस्ट विशेस टू यू ऑल. और एक दो बात आपको कहना है. Even though I don't know how many of you seated here will be interested, but few things we will also like to inform as we are from the government. Khel Maharan is also another sporting event which the government is organizing it. Last year the government had started first in Assam, and to our surprise there were 51 lakhs of participants who have registered for the Khel Maharan in 5 disciplines, and this year we have 7 disciplines, and out of the 7 disciplines till date that we have started on 30th of September till today being on 24th of October, we are having almost 30 lakhs of registration under 14, under 17, above 18 years of all throughout in Assam. So this is a very, very big event which is being held in later part. Definitely this will also be one of the sport which we will also try to include in Khel Maharan as and when it goes on. For this year we are having athletics, for this year we are having football, for this year we are having kabaddi, for this year we are having volleyball, for this year we are having swimming, for this year we are having chess competition as well as cycling competition. So my dear young friends, even though you are a karate champion or a karate player, please do register yourself for any other sporting event that you feel yourself comfortable in competing in Khel Maharan. Once again, we would like to see your participation. Anything that you need a help from the government of Assam, we are always there to help all the associations. We are always there to help all the participants in whichever game they come forward to. My best wishes once again to all the participants for coming yourselves and participating in it, and go with a very good vision with you. Keep something in your heart. Take back something from this very game. You all must have been participating everywhere in the state of Assam. Some must have been participating nationally, some must have been participating internationally, but this is a platform for the rest of among in the state of Assam that you will be able to learn. Thanks to all the parents that you have given an initiative. बहुत सारा parents को बहुत thank you कि आपने आपके बच्चे लोग को यहाँ पे लेके आया है पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए. पहला अगर देखा जाए तो बहुत सारा पेरेंट्स थोड़ा हिचकिचाते रहते हैं कि मेरा बच्चा क्यों खेलने के जाए, because there is no scope in it. There is no scope from the government. You don't see a bright future. लेकिन आजकल देखा जाए तो बहुत सारा पेरेंट्स खुद ही अपने बच्चे को स्पोर्ट्स पे इंटरेस्ट करवाते हैं, और ये बहुत ही अच्छा एक नज़रिया देखने को मिलता है in the society, that you all are encouraging your children to come forward for any discipline of sports. और ऐसे discipline of sports में अगर आप national पे चला जाए, there are some disciplines of sports where you go to the national, you win the medal, and then you come back and then you have the brave medal or the state. The government of Assam is always welcome to give you a job opportunity. So there is always a job opportunity for any of the discipline that you play for the national, and then you bring a medal forward to it. All the parents are also keeping your fingers crossed, thinking that your children will be one of the best in the field of sport in karate, and I wish that the success for you all. When we were very small, I think there has to be some difference between the karate and the taekwondo, but when we were very young, we were very interested to watch Chinese kung fu films. Till now, we are very interested in watching a kung fu film, but we don't know what is the relation of the karate with the taekwondo with the kung fu. But for an entertainment, definitely what we see and what we have been noticing is we only understand Bruce Lee, we understand Jackie Chan, and that is how those were the days that we had been understood. But now it has been a different scenario. It has come to the discipline of sports in India. It has come to the discipline of sports in Assam. It has come in a discipline for all the districts, and to the extent that we can understand how dedicatedly that you all have been moving forward. Once again, I could see from here, there are very small, there are very junior boys, one boy sitting over here, I don't know how much his age is, but he has come to compete, and a big round of applause to all the participants that you all have come all the way to encourage yourself by clapping for yourself only. You all have been clapping for us. Now it is a time for us to say that you clap for yourself, and once again clap for all the parents that they have come for you all, taking the pain to see that you all are here very nicely. The young boy over here, I don't know the young boy how old is he, but then that you have come, it shows the spirit of how you can play to be a participant in a karate. Thank you very much for having me here.
Once again, thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your insightful thought with us, and also thank you so much for gracing us this event in your kind presence. So once again, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we have come to the most awaited moment, that is to hear from our chief guest. So may I please invite and request the chief guest of today's event, Dr. HimantabiswaSharma, sir, Chief Executive Member of Caribbean Autonomous Council, to please come forward and to deliver the speech. And to also inaugurate the event.
Paramshota Bazan Rai Sakol, Amar Siam Dangria Amar Lohote Ase, Apna Khumukot Upasthiti Ase, Teketar Ame request koru bisarisu कि हमारे एक मल्टीपर्पज ऑडिटोरियम और बास्केटबॉल आसे, टेबल टेनिस आसे, रेसलिंग आसे, बॉक्सिंग आसे, बिलियर्ड आसे, योगा स्पोर्ट आसे, और एक कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑफ बाहिर फुटबॉल, बैडमिंटन, स्विमिंग पूल, बास्केटबॉल और एक क्रिकेट स्टेडियम सेपरेट आसे. हमार कराटे करने यदि एटा एकेडमी हमार याते यदि तेखेते यदि हमार उपलब्ध कराई दे तेतियाले आमी अति तेखेतक माने मर्मे आमी এটা একাডেমি আমার ক্ষমতা দিবে. থ্যাংক ইউ.
বিজয় গুপ্তা ডাঙৰীয়া যিটো প্ৰস্তাৱ দিছে মই এগ্ৰী কৰিলোঁ 100% কৰিম. এনিৱে good afternoon to you all. First of all, I would like to thank Assam State Karate Association for inviting me third Assam Karate State Championship opening match, for inviting me as chief guest today function. I would like to thank Mr. Vijay Gupta ji, President Assam State Karate Association, respected Nandita Gunarasaji, Honorable Minister, Sports and Power, Honorable MLA, respected Peter Singh, my colleagues, all honorable executive members present here, honorable MLCs, respected Assam Olympic Association Vice President, Virenska Kotiji, and respected participants, judges, referees, team managers, parents, and my dear friends, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, on behalf of the Caribbean Autonomous Council, on behalf of the Caribbean Sport Association, welcome to you all participants, including parents and officials. আজি উপরোক্তা বক্তাসকলে বিশেষকৈ মিনিষ্টাৰ আৰু বিজয় গুপ্তাজী আপোনালোকক বিতংভাৱে বহলাই কৈছে. ইয়াৰ ওপৰত মই ক'বলৈ একো নাই যে স্পৰ্টছ কালচাৰ বিজয় গুপ্তাজী যিটো কৈছে চেল্ফ ডিফেন্স, কাৰাটে হ'ল চেল্ফ ডিফেন্স. সেই সেলফ ডিফেন্সটো আটাইতকৈ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয় গতিকে ইয়াত আসামত বেলেগ বেলেগ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টৰ পৰা অহা 34 ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টৰ পৰা পাৰ্টিচিপেণ্টছ ইয়াত আহিছে মই কাৰ্বি আংলং আৰু কাৰ্বি আংলং অট'নমাছ কাউন্সিল হয় বা কাৰ্বি আংলং স্পৰ্টছ এছ'চিয়েশ্যনৰ মই যিমানখিনি পেৰেণ্টছ আছে ইনক্লুডিং পাৰ্টিচিপেণ্টছ আৰু অফিচিয়েল যিবিলাক আহিছে ৰিফাৰী জাজ আৰু ইনষ্ট্ৰাক্টৰ টিম মেনেজাৰ তেখেতসকলক মোৰ ফালৰ পৰা আপোনালোকক ৱেলকাম জনাইছোঁ আদৰণি জনাইছোঁ আৰু এই থাৰ্ড আসাম ষ্টেট কাৰাটে চেম্পিয়নশ্বিপ ইয়াত 4 days প্ৰগ্ৰাম হ'ব সেই 4 days প্ৰগ্ৰাম যিমানখিনি ফুডিং ইনক্লুডিং লজিং ব্ৰেকফাষ্ট গোটেইখিনি কাৰ্যক্ৰম অট'নমাছ কাউন্সিলৰ পৰা আপোনালোকক দিম বুলি মই ইয়াত ফ্ৰী দিয়া হ'ব বুলি আপোনালোকক কৈ দিলোঁ খালি আপোনালোকে বেয়া পাব নালাগে ইয়াত যিটো আপোনালোকে ঘৰ খাইছে সেইবিলাকৰ ফুডবিলাকে খাব নাপাব পাৰে সেইবিলাক খানা আপোনালোকে নাপাব পাৰে যিমান পাৰোঁ আমি যিটো আপোনালোকে জেনেৰেল হিচাপে যিটো খায় আমি অসমত যিটো খায় সেই খাদ্যবিলাক আপোনালোকে পাব আপোনালোকে চিন্তা কৰিব নালাগে আমি গোটেইখিনি কাৰ্বি আংলং অট'নমাছ কাউন্সিলৰ পৰা বহন কৰিম বুলি আপোনালোকক আজি ক'ব লাগে মই বেছি বিশেষ নকওঁ আজি বিজয় গুপ্তা আপুনি তেখেতে কৈছে যে কাৰাটেৰ কাৰণে এটা ইভেণ্ট আছে কাৰাটেৰ কাৰণে মই স্পেচিয়েল এটা ইনডোৰ ষ্টেডিয়ামৰ কাৰণে বনাই দিম বুলি আজি আপোনালোকক মই ঘোষণা কৰিছোঁ ইয়াত কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ পূৰ্ণতিকো বহুত দিনৰ পৰা তেখেতে ইনষ্ট্ৰাক্টৰ ব্লেক বেল্ট 4,000 আছে তেওঁ ইয়াৰো আছে এতিয়ালৈকে এৰা নাই তেওঁলোকৰ লগত যোগাযোগ কৰি সেইটো নেক্সট ইয়াৰত আমি অপেনিং কৰিবৰ কাৰণে মই চেষ্টা কৰিম বুলি আপোনালোকক কমিট কৰিম ইয়াত লেকচাৰ দিবৰ কাৰণে চবে লেকচাৰৰ ভাষণ শুনিবৰ কাৰণে কোনো অহা নাই ইয়াতে খালি আমি কম্পিটিশ্যনটো চাবৰ কাৰণে আহিছে গতিকে আপোনালোকে এই 4 দিন যিমান পাৰোঁ একমডেশ্যনটো আমি দিম আৰু তাৰ লগতে আপোনালোকে ইয়াত কোনো অসুবিধা নোহোৱাকৈ আপোনালোকে ইয়াত পাৰ্টিচিপেণ্টছ টুৰ্ণামেণ্ট চলাই যাব পাৰিব তাকে মই আপোনালোকক ঘোষণা কৰিলোঁ লাষ্টলি আসাম ষ্টেট Karate Championship Tournament today here at Assa Stadium. I would like to declare an open third Karate Championship opening today. And lastly, last but not least, my best wishes to all participants and including parents and all officials present here. Conclude my speech. Thank you to all.
Once again, thank you so much, sir, the Honorable CM of Karbi Aংলং Autonomous Council, Dr. HimantaBiswaSharma, for inaugurating us this event. So now the Assam State Karate Championship 2024 is officially inaugurated. So once again, can we have a big round of applause for all our judges sitting on the dais.
Joy. So we give our assistance to all. Give us a give up. Oh, so what are here is
That was wonderful. Thank you so much. First of all, let me take this opportunity to thank all our esteemed guests, our chief guests, dignitaries, for taking your time out of your busy and heavy schedule and coming here in order to grace this event. And let me also take this opportunity to thank all the supporters, parents, players, coach, media person, and also to the organizing committee. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Hope that each and everyone will enjoy. And with this, we have come to an end. And yes, thank you for being an active participant.
খাই লওঁ যদি পাৰোঁ তো লৈ যাব তুমি আছা নাই
Yes, so ladies and gentlemen, we have a very exciting news for you all. So now we're going to have our first competition. So requesting all the players to please be ready and wishing you best of luck for the competition, alright? So without any further ado, let us begin with the competition. Ladies and gentlemen, now we have officially begun with the first competition in male category with red corner and blue corner. So please enjoy. And yes, don't forget to support and cheer up your candidate.
So ladies and gentlemen, at this point in time, our chief guests, our guests of honor, and all our dignitaries, they are also ready for the competition like this. They will have a photo session now.
Ladies and gentlemen, now it is the official photo shoot of all the chief guests, and they have already worn the gloves, which means that they are also very much excited as we are. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Thank you so much to our chief guests and dignitaries for coming here in this event, and it's such a glory to have you all with us today. So we have now officially ended with our opening ceremony. So lastly, once again, congratulations